Let's do last part of our question 2. So the information is still the same. It says refer to the correlation between the price of 5-liter containers of milk and the number of 5-liter containers of milk sold, and comment on the accuracy of your answer to question 2.3. So we want to talk about the correlation between the price and the number of units. So we need to find the correlation coefficient. Okay, let's just go there. Let me take you to the part where we are using a calculator to find the correlation coefficient. To find the correlation coefficient, we enter our data the normal way, like we did with what? With the regression, the equation of the regression line. So you go to mode, press test there. In the other calculators, maybe on number 2. So here is 3, so we press 3. We enter 2 here, it says a plus bx. So we enter 2. Right, and then we enter the values. So be careful here. We have the x values and the y values. So the x values is the price of milk in rands, and then the y values is the number of 5-liter containers. Okay, right, let's start by entering the values of x. It's 26, then equals 32, the next one equals, or if you want, you can enter the x value and the y value, x value and y value at the same time. It's still fine, but make sure that the values correspond. Like 26 will go with 48, 32 will go with 30, 36 will go with 26, like that. Okay, right, so it entered 26, 32, 36, goes on like that. Right, we're done with the x values. Let's go back and enter the y values. So here 26 goes with 48, 32 goes with 30, 36 goes with 26. Okay, it goes on like that. And the last one, 30 goes with 33. And then where do we go after that? You press AC, and then shift, then 1. You see that? And then we want the correlation coefficient. So we go to regression, which is 5 here. Okay, and then which one do we choose? We choose 3 here, which is R. We're finding the correlation coefficient, which is R. So it's 3, press 3, and then equals. You see that our correlation coefficient is negative 0.9414760699. Okay, and then you can round off accordingly after that. Okay, right, we have found that the correlation coefficient is R is equal to negative 0.94. So this correlation coefficient shows that there is a strong negative correlation between what? Between the price of the 5-liter containers and the number of 5-liter containers. See that? Okay. So now we can conclude and say, therefore, there is a good chance. There is a good chance of the prediction to be accurate. You see that? Okay. So the closer the correlation coefficient to -1, when you're talking about the negative correlation, or the closer the correlation coefficient to 1, when you're talking about positive correlation, the higher the chances of the prediction to be accurate. Okay. That is our answer there for question 2.4.